The cost of Moonriver probably won't have made a buzz in the digital money market, yet it unquestionably has procured its situation as the top number 194 positioning crypto resource by market cap. The Moonriver was made by the Moonbeam establishment to subsidize the development, improvement, and reception of the Moonbeam and Moonriver organization and its biological system. In any case, what else is in the Moonriver organization? Is it valuable to put resources into it? Is there a future? And is the innovation vigorous and reasonable? We should find out as we investigate the future value examination of the Moonriver, its local utility token Moonriver MOVR estimate. Outline of Moonriver. We should begin by getting to know a piece about Moonriver. The Moonriver is an Ethereum viable savvy contract parachain that works on the Kusama mainnet. The essential thought for the Moonriver network is to work as a shrewd agreement stage fit for giving a one-stop center to clients to redeploy Ethereum dApps without the requirement for design into the Kusama organization. How can it function? Moonriver is planned to fill in as a brilliant agreement stage fit for redeploying the Ethereum dApps with negligible grinding. So, the Ethereum dApps need not be reconfigured or revised to work on the Kusama organization. On the off chance that you don't know, Substrate is a structure for making a novel blockchain and applications that can run on the Kusama and Polkadot organizations. To do this, Moonriver offers the accompanying administrations to engineers. EVM execution. This takes into consideration Ethereum-based brilliant agreements to relocate to Kusama with negligible exertion. Web3 viable APIs. This permits Ethereum-based devices, for example, MetaMask wallet, to work with the Moonriver organization. Spans. This considers token exchanges, state perceivability, and message passing with Ethereum and different chains like Solana or Bitcoin. It additionally has many implicit mixes for resources, for example, Spot and ERC20 and foundation administrations like Chainlink. The local cache of Moonriver is MOVR, and it is vital to keeping up with and working the stage. It very well may be utilized to pay exchange charges, support brilliant agreement execution, boost collators for producing blocks to help the organization, and work with the on-chain administration instruments. Moonriver MOVR token use cases. The Moonriver MOVR token is utilized to carry out different roles on the stage. A portion of these are payment of exchange expense on the Moonriver token to give an on-chain administration component, empowering clients to partake in administration and proposing the fate of the organization by casting a ballot, to work with the gas metering capability of shrewd agreement execution to give an impetus to collators and work with in making decentralized hub foundation of the Moonriver network. Moonriver specialized examination. For this Moonriver specialized investigation, we will utilize RSI, Bollinger Groups, and moving midpoints, the absolute most famous specialized markers. It hasn't been since a long time ago the Moonriver was recorded on the trades. The outline beneath shows that the Moonriver cost increment took off on high expectation of the MOVR token being an alluring resource. This made the Moonriver MOVR cost rise quickly, making a high in September 2021. Presently, there is a declining phase of the Moonriver coin. However, on the off chance that recuperation is noticed, it could increment further for the time being. Subsequent to framing the high in September 2021, the Moonriver a little, laying out a help level close to $240 cost level. From here, the Moonriver MOVR cost again takes off, attempting to frame another high, making the most exorbitant cost at $495.71, making it the unsurpassed high. It seems to be the MOVR cost is attempting to shape a decent base prior to breaking out. The aggregation circulation pointer shows that there is an interest in the resource since the up-moving gathering line addresses the posting. The Moonriver cost today is somewhat over the 50-day moving normal. The above graph shows that the unpredictability was high in September 2021. On October 11, 2021, the instability was the most minimal since the posting of Moonriver, and the exchanging volume began to fall underneath the normal exchanging volume. In the final part of October 2021, the Moonriver MOVR cost started to flood again on high volume, expanding the unpredictability once more and making an overbought condition on the RSI marker. The RSI is put at 49.31. The ongoing cost levels are very steady with low unpredictability. It seems to be the Moonriver token is attempting to frame a strong union base prior to breaking out according to the Moonriver MOVR cost forecast. It is probably going to occur on high volume, sending the MOVR cost up in a solitary day for enormous benefit on the off chance that this occurs. Moonriver value expectations. 2022 to 2026. The Moonriver cost gauge depends on past costs joined with prescient information demonstrating calculations. If it's not too much trouble, note that the Moonriver value forecast ought to just be deciphered as an idea or a clear sign representing things to come. Cost as the past cost is just a device. It is difficult to impeccably anticipate the cost of anything. Be that as it may, these act as an instrument, which can assist with further developing the dynamic interaction. Notwithstanding, sticking to legitimate gamble the executives is viewed as mindful while financial planning. This isn't monetary guidance, and any productive speculation framework straightforwardly relies upon risk openness. The most minimal conceivable level to enter an exchange for Moonriver cryptographic money will be hard to recognize. Brokers and financial backers ought to do their own examination prior to utilizing any kind of figure framework. The Moonriver crypto value forecast is as per the following. Moonriver value expectation 2022. According to the Moonriver estimate, the cost of MOVR is anticipated to arrive at the very least degree of $82.96. The Moonriver cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $95.47. The typical cost all through the year will be around $88.36. Moonriver value expectation 2023. The information expectations models in light of the verifiable information show that the cost of Moonriver MOVR is gauged to arrive at the very least expected cost of $89.84, with a most extreme cost of $108.66 in the year 2023. The typical exchanging cost all through the year is supposed to be close to the $99 cost level according to our MOVR cost expectation. Moonriver value forecast 2024. According to the information and Moonriver cost gauge models, the base level of the Moonriver coin expectation will be $82.71. The greatest cost will be $126.42, with a typical exchanging cost of around $106.57 all through 2024. Moonriver value expectation 2025. As per the specialized examination for the year 2025, the base MOVR coin value expectation will be $117.27, and the greatest value level will be $150.03. The anticipated MOVR recommends that the typical cost will be $127.19 in 2025 according to our Moonriver crypto expectation. Moonriver value forecast 2026. A slight revision may be found in the year 2026 when contrasted with 2025. The cost expectations models show that the base cost of Moonriver estimate is supposed to be $109.75. The most extreme cost will be $134.13, keeping a typical cost of $122.48 in the year 2026 in view of the Moonriver MOVR cost expectation. What number of MOVR tokens are available for use? Moonriver value equivalent to $67.61 starting today. The market cap of Moonriver remains at $252,519,458.42, with a completely weakened and colossal market cap of more than $676,978,987.99. The maximum inventory is covered at 10 million MOVR tokens, and the coursing supply is 3,730,093 MOVR tokens. Is Moonriver a wise venture? The crypto expectations of MOVR recommend that it very well may be a significant resource that can create extraordinary returns. So hang on and don't sell Moonriver. All things considered, it is great to have an essential comprehension of the